take a watch. This is mirror. Just a lot of mirrors all over the dress around. Watch. It's small mirror. All this dress is full of small mirrors. And now I will try this one also, and you let me know which is better. Previous one, which one I already tried in previous video. You can take a look. Or this one. Let me see how it works over here. Here it also has zip. Oh, actually this is dress to wear. It's like a little bit challenge to find where is what. Without instruction, it's not really so easy. Need to make research where and how to switch on to make it works. Here it's like zip. Here we go. That's the brand. Brand actually I can't pronounce. It's some kind of new brand which one just start to work. They has extremely cheap price and super high quality fancy dresses for special occasions. It's like prom dresses, which one you can wear for your graduation, even for wedding you can put it as well. I'm close. Let me figure it out how it works and I will show you in the next video.